Okay, guys, now we move on and we've got another short passage. How to make your working day more enjoyable. What does it mean? How to make your working day more enjoyable means you are doing a job, right? Where you go for your job, at your job place, how to make your day more enjoyable. Like you go to your office and there you enjoy a lot. Like you are enjoying the class by eating or drinking something. So you can enjoy your working day. All clear? Now please come to questions. 15 to 20. Complete the sentences below. What do we call them? Sentence completion. Choose one word only from the text for each answer. So sentence completion, type A or type B? Type A. Questions and answers will be in order. Once you find the answer of one question, you read on and on and on and on and you'll find the other answers. First answer may take more time. Once you find one answer, then you just have to read the next line, sometimes after 2 lines, sometimes it can be the next paragraph also. But answers will be in order. Now, bringing a personal, underline the word personal. And they can go to any extent to redefine the word personal. Let's see how they do it. Read full question, please. Bringing a personal dash to work will make the place feel more homely. Now, bringing something personal to work, right? Please come back. Okay, the first paragraph, please. Research shows that work takes up approximately a third of our lives. Most of us get so bogged down with day-to-day tasks, though, that we easily forget what we originally applied for the job and what we can get out of it. Now, there is anything like personal and all that. Next paragraph. Physical changes to your work environment can make a massive difference to how you feel. Get some green plants or a family photo. Get some green plants or a family photo for your desk. Now come back. Bringing a personal. Now listen, why not green plants? It's one word only and you cannot write personal green plants. For personal, what is the word in the passage? Family. And answer is photo. Family photo and personal photo. Now in Ielts language, personal and family, they are same thing. Answer is photo. Question number 16. It is important to check the position of all. Now all means answer will be plural. It is important to check the position of all dash before use to avoid pulling any muscle. Position of all dash before use to avoid pulling any muscles. Come back, same paragraph. I'm reading it from third line. All of these little touches can make your work environment feel like it's yours. Make sure any screens you have are at a suitable height. Make sure any screens you have, any screen means like your laptop or your desktop or anything. So make sure any screens you have are at a suitable height so you are not straining your neck and shoulders. What is the answer? It is important to check the position of all. Now, what is the word for position? Yes, are at a suitable height. Suitable height and position, they are same words. Okay, suitable height and they use the word position. And answer is screens, plural. You can underline this answer, go back home, practice again, you'll be fine. Now please come to question number 17. Question number 17. Leaving the office in the middle of the day. That's the clue word. Leaving the office in the middle of the day may help to raise. Underline the word raise. Now just keep in mind raise, increase, any other word. Raise dash later on. Leaving the office in the middle of the day may help to raise dash later on. Come back, third paragraph. Humans need a change of environment every now and then to improve. Now, what is the word for raise? Improve. Improve and raise in Ielts language, they are synonyms. So the answer is Productivity. And by the way, tell me, what is the phrase they have used for leaving the office in the middle of the day? Change of environment. Change of environment and leaving the office, they are synonyms. Okay? So the answer is productivity. Let's go on. Question number 18. It is advisable to avoid checking a dash during breaks. Avoid. Don't use, don't touch, don't look at. Avoid using a dash during breaks. Please come to next paragraph, fourth paragraph. Use coffee time. What is coffee time? Break. Okay, now let's read it. Use coffee time to get to know a colleague you don't usually speak to. There is no point in getting away from starting at one thing though, only to replace it with another. So leave your mobile alone. Leave your mobile alone means avoid checking a mobile. It is advisable to avoid checking a mobile during the break or leave your mobile alone. Answer is mobile. See that once you understand these two languages, language of passage and language of question, so then you'll be good. And as you practice, you solve 40 questions, you'll be good at that. You do another test, you solve 40 questions, you are even better. So test after test after test, you'll be able to master it. Question number 19. Getting involved in dash at work. Now dash at work means related to work. Getting involved in dash at work may have negative results. Getting involved in something at work may have negative results. Same paragraph after mobile phone. Another tip is to try to stay out of office gossip. Now listen, stay out of office gossip. Come back to question. Getting involved in office gossip. For office gossip, they use the word gossip at work. Now just try to feel. Office gossip and gossip at work, they are synonyms. So the answer is gossip. And what is the word for negative results? Yeah, in the long run, it could get you in more trouble than you realize. So trouble is negative result of that. Whenever you do a question, you have to do, this is what we call debriefing. With each question, you can do debriefing. Okay, for trouble, they have used the word negative effect, result. For gossip at work, they have used the word office gossip and all that. Now, please come to question number 20. Having a few dash available can help people concentrate better at work. Second last paragraph. When you are trying to focus. Now, what is focus? Concentrate. When you are trying to, and they've used the word having a few. Having means keeping, eating and all that. Having a few. So, when you are trying to focus on something, hunger is the worst thing. If you can keep some healthy snacks in your desk, because if you have something you can nibble on. So healthy snacks, and by the way, they've used the word keep some healthy snacks, and for that they used having a few snacks. Okay. Yeah, water, drinking water is something else, so keep drinking water. But the word snacks is the right answer. Okay, let's read on. If you have, I'm reading the second last paragraph. If you have something you can nibble on, it will make your work more effectively and you will enjoy it more. Also, if you are dehydrated, you will not be able to focus properly. So keep drinking water. Now listen, having a few water, grammatically it is wrong. Can you write it here? Because you know, whenever you write your answer, you have to check it grammatically. And the best way to check your answer, whether it is right or wrong, two ways. One is grammatical, one is logical. If you write the wrong answer, it will not fit logically. Sentence will not make any sense. And for example, having a few water. Now, water is uncountable noun. And snacks is countable noun. So with few, you cannot use water. Okay? All right.